Your yes back. It is a sleek design. It is a scooter that you can fold up with the click of a button. EV Rider has been a family-owned company that has been around for 20 years, and they are bringing us the best of the best. This is agile, it's portable, it is reliable, and today you are getting it on a great sale price. You are saving $800 if you pick it up today. Plus, you are getting that free shipping and handling, which is going to save you that additional money. So this breaks down to 5 easy payments of $440, but you can use that Q card for that special 18-month financing, which breaks down to $122 to get that yes back, to be able to ride in style and have that great confidence that you can go to those family events. You can go see your family members. You can give this as the gift to your family members. It's as easy as just sitting right down, hitting these, and you get that great movement with these wheels. We're gonna talk all about all of the bells and whistles, the great design, the safety features built into this, but we only have fewer than 100 left in each color. So let me tell you about the colors. I am on this is our sapphire blue, which I'll give you a little better look at. Then we have over here our red option, which that is like that red hot, you are cruising in style. And then we have Emily Scott joining us today, and she is coming on in our Jupiter Gold.
Yeah. Hey,
Emily,
John,
it's so nice
to see you.
it's so great to be with you.
Yes,
I love
you
starting
too.
my morning with you.
Oh, me too.
And I love talking about EV Rider
I
because
know.
this really is something that allows you to say yes to life again.
Absolutely, absolutely. And I think especially this time of year.
Yeah.
You know, it's February. I get really excited to be with EV Rider in the beginning of the year when the invitations come in. You know who's getting married, you know who's going to graduate or,
Right.
retire, whatever it is. It's the time to plan the year. And now when those invitations come in, instead of them being worrisome, worrying about, will I have a place to sit, or how long will I have to walk? Will they be able to accommodate me there? Wait till you see how EV Rider can change all that. Wait till you see how EV Rider really, truly makes invitations thrilling and exciting again.
Right,
Yeah.
it takes the fear out of it, the worry about not being able to join everyone. But EV Rider really does what the scooters we know from the past does, but in such a great modern way, because it gives you this sleek, portable design, and it folds up at the click of a button.
Yeah. This is one of my favorite scooters of all times. I've been with EV Rider for 13 years, and I am always blown away by this. This is a scooter. I've used the included key fob, and you see I'm not even touching the scooter, right? It folds itself up by itself. And it locks itself, by the way, in place. Like, you literally don't have to do a thing. About the size of a travel suitcase.
Okay.
About 52 pounds. So I certainly have packed suitcases that are
much heavier. Yep.
just about that heavy. And when it's time to get out and go and get on your way, you hit the green button on the included key fob. And this is what the scooter is able to do. It's the only scooter that we have here that does this. And I believe it's truly our highest level of help that we can get you to get you out and about and on your way.
Right. And we've talked about this a few times, but my grandma is someone who just purchased a scooter. We bought her one a year ago almost. And it is that classic older scooter that takes up a big footprint in her small space in a retirement community. And if I had known about the EV Rider, it would have freed up, one, how much money we had spent on it, but two, the space and the fact that we can bring this and put this in the trunk of the car, take this on any terrain that we want to go out and about on. Now, tell me a little bit about, we're seeing this, the turn radius on this is great because you can use it indoors.
Yeah, absolutely. And that's one of the biggest game changers. And your grandmom, Cheers, if I may call her Cheers.
Cheers, that is her name.
I love her. I don't know her, but I just love that so much. But watch what you're seeing right here. This is a scooter that is powerful, reliable, but it's agile. So that scooter that you invested a lot of money in, my father just bought the same type of thing. They don't know each other, but about 2 years ago, big, bulky, heavy scooter that doesn't fold down, which means He can never put it in his car.
Right.
He can't get it in his apartment. He only uses it very limited amount of space. And when you're spending something considerable, you want to make sure you get the right one.
Yeah.
You don't want to make that mistake.
No, I the first time I presented this, my grandma called.
You could tell.
My grandma called and said, "So should we buy this new one?" I was like, let me save up a little bit. But the fact that at QVC you're able to get this with those 4 easy payments and with that 18-month special financing, this is the chance to get something that gives you that yes back, that allows you to be portable, to allows you to go out and about without having to worry. Now, EV Rider has been bringing us the best of the best. They've been around for 20 years.
Yes.
Tell me what's different about this design, if we can take a little tour of it.
Let me, you know what, I'm gonna fold it up real quick because I'll show you, and again, I'm hitting the red button. You do get 2 keys and you get the fob with the battery.
Okay.
I love that. And you get the charger, and I'll show you all that in a minute. But this is a scooter that arrives to you fully assembled, which I already am in love with that idea because the less work I have to do, the better. And I'll open it up right here, but it will arrive to you like that, fully assembled and partially charged.
Okay.
Okay? All you have to do is open it up and you're absolutely ready to ride. I'll show you the dashboard because one of the things about EV Rider that makes us such a different type of scooter company, not the one that Cheers bought and not the one my dad Joe bought, but everything is easy, everything's intuitive. So there's not a lot to remember, there's not a lot to coordinate and do, and it's not overwhelming. So if I can show you the dashboard.
Yeah.
I don't know if we can get that from overhead, or we have a picture on QVC.com too that I can show you the dashboard. And meanwhile, I'm going to take this key and I'm going to turn my scooter on, and you will notice that you hear nothing. You feel nothing.
Right.
There's no rumble, there's no grumble, there's nothing like that. Here's what the dashboard looks like. So on the left-hand side, you'll see there's a picture of a horn right there, that little teal button, and that is your courtesy horn, which is really nice for crowded spaces. Up at the top is where you turn it on. That middle button where you see the O and the I, those are your LED headlights and taillights, and they are nice and low because this is a scooter that you can take outside on all kinds of terrain. So now when it's lit, you can see where you're driving at night, because again, this is all about getting you out and going. Down below is your LED display. It's kind of like your battery charge indicator, and it tells you how much you have distance-wise to go. On a full charge, which is 4 to 6 hours for a full charge, you get up to 9 miles of distance. As you drive through those 9 miles, those lights will dim down. When you get into red zone, it's simply time to recharge it over and over again. The right hand button, and I really want you to see how easy this is. We know at EV Rider, because our owner is a biomedical engineer, he has studied how we age and how our bodies change. One of the things that happens is we lose strength in our hands, we get arthritis, carpal tunnel, and if opening jars is starting to become difficult for you, I want you to see how easy this is. So you can turn the speed dial just with 2 fingers. Actually, Justin the other day was just turning it with 1.
Wow,
So
yeah.
there's nothing that you have to grab tight. The steering right here is padded for your comfort, but you don't have to grab it tight and you don't have to twist it, okay? I have ridden scooters. This is the wig-wag, and this is how you make it go, this thing right here. Either hand will drive it with just 1 finger. That's all
incredible.
you need. I have used a scooter many, many times. I'll talk about my calf here in a minute, nightmare calf that I have. I want a calf replacement.
Oh, no.
But what I was going to say is I have driven many, many scooters, and one of the things that happens is your hands fatigue over time, trying to get it to go. Not with EV Rider. And do you want to demo what the brakes are?
I was hoping you would ask.
Woo,
this is my
'cause
favorite
he's
demonstration.
He's going to peel rubber. Yeah.
Okay, so I'll go back.
Yeah. Let
a
me
little
get out
bit.
of your way.
I mean, I love this
There's the
because
red
it's
one. Whoop, whoop.
and
And
look,
they're built to last.
and they're built to last. They're durable, easy
Yeah.
fun to ride, easy to hide, and durable.
Oh, I love it.
Okay, so I can go up, going full speed, and when I let go, it completely stops on a dime. I think that is incredible because when you think of, if you are just getting the hang of this too,
Yeah.
it's super intuitive.
Well, and you know, as we age, our reaction times change. And again, EV Rider considers this before we build a scooter. We think of these things. So you don't have to have any reaction time.
Right.
There is no pedal, there's no brake pedal or gas pedal that you have to coordinate. There's nothing you have to think about. You just simply let go. And it's a smooth, quick, controlled stop.
Yeah, and I love that you can stop it even if you're not on it.
Oh, yeah,
you know?
yeah.
If you were standing and you just need to stop it.
Well, this is how we are so confident about our braking system. Like, this is what I mean about you have to do nothing. I'm making it go, and I'm making it stop.
Wow.
Isn't that awesome?
I love this. I love how sleek it is. I love that it is portable, and it still gives you that great access to the world. You are able to take the dog on a walk. You are able to go to restaurants, spend time with loved ones. I mean, this is a considered purchase, but this is something that you can give to someone, and you are giving them the gift, but you're also receiving the gift because you are able to spend that time with them. You are getting it at a sale price of $2,200, which is saving you $800. You are getting this for 5 easy payments of $440, but today you are getting that free shipping and handling. Take advantage of that because this is not light to ship.
52 pounds.
Yeah, this
and
is...
you see the size of it. Yeah,
right.
It's expensive to ship.
So take advantage of that sale price. Take advantage of the free shipping and handling. If you want to use that 18-month special financing with the Q card, it comes down to $122. This is a way to get that yes back, to spend that time with loved ones, or get your independence back. All you have to do is call 800-500-7590, try it, get it home, risk-free. You have that return, 30-day returns, but you are going to absolutely love this. You choose whether you want the blue sapphire, which I'm on.
And that's kind of like a really lustrous blue. You think about it like almost like an automobile type quality paint. It's just beautiful.
Now, this has fewer than 100 remaining in the blue sapphire, so do not wait on that. And then Emily is on our Jupiter Gold.
Yeah, which is like a copper, right?
I love that. And there's only 75 left in that.
Okay.
So this is the time to pick it up. You've got that sale price, you've got that free shipping and handling, and you've got limited quantities. Now, back there, we have the Red Hot Mama. We've got the red. That is our most popular, and we only have 45 remaining
You know
in
what?
that.
I always say that's like a candy apple and a speeding ticket had a baby. If you have somebody sassy and fierce in your life.
That's the one. That one means you honk that horn and you mean business. You are coming in. My mom just started playing mahjong.
Yeah, oh yeah.
And she said that there's a group of ladies who,
Yeah.
I mean, they're all in their like late 80s who play with her and are teaching her, and they all ride in on their scooters, and they look like a biker gang of these. And I was like, I'm like, these are the great pops of color that are fun, that make it enjoyable. But the fact that you can ride this up to the tables, you can ride this up to the chairs, and it's easy to get on, this is the time to get that freedom back.
Yeah, absolutely. So, and I love the fact that we do take that much time to make them look beautiful.
Right.
You know, a lot of people tell us at EV Rider, they don't want to be in a wheelchair. They don't want to look like they're less than fully abled. We want to be independent.
Right.
We want to get out. We don't want to ask for help. And having it so beautiful just makes you feel great about it. But what I wanted to show you is, I'll talk about my dad again. He bought the wrong scooter. He bought a big, heavy, clunky scooter that doesn't fold down. He can never, ever pick it up. And by the way, it's not like it's 20 years old. It's 2 years old. Now, he's 87 and he lives by himself. So when he sits down, you might recognize what this looks like. He gets to about here and he can't do, you know, he kind of like flops down, okay? Scary for us. He lives by himself, getting up, getting down. And this is at night, in and out of bed. This is in and out of his easy chair. And he'll have a cane or a walker sometimes, but it doesn't give you the stability of a 52-pound vehicle. So I'm going to put this right in front of me. When he would get up, you can use your scooter. This is why it's such a unique scooter. And notice I'm pulling myself up with so much control, and I have 4 points of contact, 4 points of balance, 2 hands and 2 feet.
Right.
You take your time. He's on medication. He's got vertigo as well. You know, he's 87, and he could sit down and just give himself a moment you know, just kind of reconnoiter, whatever, and then he could get on his way. You know what I
Right.
mean? Such peace of mind for your family.
And I love that even what you were just showing with the chair, with the back of the chair lifting up, you were getting that support in the back.
Yes,
And
yes.
it collapses down, so it still makes it portable, but you're getting that great support. And then you're off to the races.
You're
good
off
to
to the
go.
races,
It is
yeah.
so quick to just start getting moving on this. I love that you can adjust the speed just with your
Yeah.
finger.
Yeah.
Now, we're getting, as we talked about,